So hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we'll learn about order by clause from basic to advanced. So in the previous video, we have already demonstrated about the where clause. At the end, we have also discussed about the order by clause. But here we are going to explore more features how we can use order by clause. Okay. For the demonstration purpose, I will be using the same table and database that we have created for the where demo. Okay. So I'm using the same database, and inside this database, what all tables I've created one table, I guess students table. So let's see what. So we have students table here. So if I run this query, select star from students, then so I get whatever entries are there in the particular table. But these entries are not in any order. They're not following any specific order. So if you want the data to be sorted in a specific order, then we make use of order by clause. So if I use this particular same query, but if I'm adding here order by, let's say marks, okay. So if I run now this particular table will get displayed order by marks. So by default, if I don't provide here any sorting by ascending or descending, it will be by default ascending only. So the lowest marks entry will be here and the highest marks entry will be at the last. Okay. If you want the same, if you want to order by marks but in descending order, then you have to write here the keyword descending. Then the order will be from descending order. So highest marks will be at the top and lowest marks will be at the bottom. Okay, so this is the purpose or why we use order by clause. Now, what is this ASC keyword? So if you want to sort by ascending, we use ASC keyword, and if you want to sort by descending, we use DESC keyword. Okay, so I hope you got this. So I hope you understood why we use order by clause. Now let's explore one another things. Let's say I want to sort string column. Sort string column. Now we sorted the marks column, which was integer data type. Now, if I want to sort a string column, that is select star from students and order by, let's say first name. Then how it will get ordered? It will get ordered by alphabetical order. So the first, it will be Arav, Aditya, I like this, it will be alphabetical order. If I write here, similarly, if I write here, first name descending, then it will be in alphabetical order in backwards. So it means will be like this: first Y, B, S, R, and last it will come A, starting with A. Okay. So this is about sorting string column. The next thing is, let's say I have to sort dates. How to sort dates? So let's say select star from students, order by. If I have any date column here, yes, I have a date column admission date. So order by admission date like this. So now it will get ordered by date. Let's say 1st May, 20th May, 28th May, 5th June, 15th July, 20th July, like this. If I want it in descending order, I can just write descending order. So here I will get 18th August, 12th August, then July, then June, and then May, like this. Okay. So this is about how we can sort by date. So what if I want to sort multiple columns at once? Multiple columns I want to sort. This is select star from students, order by. Order by, let's say city in ascending order, comma, marks in descending order. Marks in descending order. So first city will be sorted, and according to that city, marks will be sorted. So first city got sorted. So Ahmedabad, Bangalore, Delhi, like this. Now for this Ahmedabad and Ahmedabad, these two records have same city, Ahmedabad. So now for these two records, it will compare the marks. So it will compare the marks 95, 92. And we want marks in descending order. So 95 will be first, then 92. Now it will compare with Bangalore. For Bangalore, we have one record, so it will display as it is. Delhi. We have three records. Out of these three records, whoever has highest marks will be first, second highest will be second, and the third highest will be 50, third, like this, and so on for other one. So in this query, what will happen? First, it will get sorted by city, and then it will get sorted by marks. Okay. So I hope you understood how it happens. Multiple columns are sorted. Okay, now let's say I have to use order by with where clause. With where clause. So I want a condition also, and inside that condition I have to use order by clause. Let us select star from students where marks are greater than 80 and order by marks descending like this. So first what will happen? First where condition will run. It will first only fetch that students whose marks are greater than 80. Now for that particular students, then it will sort by marks descending order like this. So if I run this query, I will get only students with marks greater than 80 and in sorted in descending order like this. So we have used order by clause with where clause. Okay. Now what if I have to use order by clause with limit, not alter. Order by clause with limit. We have already discussed what is a limit. It will fetch if it is limit 5, it will fetch first 5 rows. Okay. Now let's say I'm going to write select star from students, order by, let's say marks in descending order. And I will also write limit 5. What this particular query will do, it will first execute this statement. So after executing, I'm getting all the records now. But if I add here limit 5, I will get only top 5 records. That means top 5 students. That means top 5 students. If I execute this, now I'm getting only top 5 students. Similarly, we can also use here offset. If I am keeping offset as let's say 5, so it will skip the first 5 and then it will display the 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, and 10th position. If I write this, so it will display 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, you can observe this 6 is 85 and 10 is 74. I'm running this original query now. You can see 6 is 85 and 7, 8, 9, 10 is 74 times. So you can use order by with limit and offset also. Now let's say another thing is order by position number. Order by position number. What is this order by position number? Let's say I want to select student ID, comma, let's say first name, comma, city, comma, marks. Only these columns I'm going to select from students. Now, order by 4 descending. What is this 4? This 4 is nothing but the position of the column. This is the first column, this is the second column, this is the third column, this is the fourth column. So in this case, the 4 position is nothing but the marks column. So it will order by marks column. So it will get order by marks in descending order. I hope you understood how we use position number. So if we specify here the column name, that particular position is this position number. If we specify here star, for that particular condition, for this particular query, now the 4 number will imply which column? Student ID is the first, second, third, fourth, age column. So if I write like this, it will get sorted by age. So 23, 22, 22, 21. If I mention here column, it will get sorted by that position number. So, okay, I hope you understood how it worked. Yes. So this was about order by position. Okay. Next, let's do something order by alias. We know what is column aliases. Let's say I'm writing select first name as name, comma, marks as score from students. Okay. Now when I write like this, if I run this, so what I'm going to get, the first name column will change its name to name, and this marks column will change its name to score. So I will here in the display I will get name and score. Okay. Now what if I want to use order by clause here? So let's say order by, but I have to use the alias. So let's say order by score descending like this, score descending. What happens here now? Is it getting executed? Yes. Why it is getting executed? Because order by clause is executed after select. So in the previous video where we have used where clause, where clause. What was the condition like this? So let's say I'm writing like this, where score is greater than 90. This query will not work because first where clause is executed, then select statement is executed. So, and then order by. In the case of order by, first select statement is executed and then order statement is executed. That's why in this case, the MySQL already knows that this score is nothing but the column of marks. So it will compare that with, it will order it by the marks column, like a score column. But in this case, MySQL doesn't know what this score is. So it will retrieve an error, an unknown column. I hope you understood this. Okay. So in this case, we can't write this score. We have to write here marks. Okay. Yes. But here in the order by clause, it will get accepted. If I run, I will get the order by score in the descending order. So this is a difference between how where clause and order by clause is executed. So next concept is, let's say, order by expression. I have to use an expression and do ordering. So let's say select star from students, order by marks plus scholarship descending. So what it will do, it will for a particular record, it will add the values of marks and it will also add the value of scholarship column. If and the result will get sorted in descending order for each row. If I run this, now the sorting will happen like this. It will add here 98. It will add 98 and to 20,000. So it will be some value. 15,000 plus 95 will be some value. The result of marks plus scholarship will be evaluated, and according to the result, the columns will get in the descending order. So I hope you understood how we used order by expression. Then let's say I want to use order by in functions. So let's say select star from students, order by length function. Let's say I'm using length of the first name and I'm not specifying descending, so it will be ascending. So the shortest character length name will be displayed first. So shortest character name, that's Dave. So 3 characters will be displayed first. Dia 4 characters, Sarah 4 characters, Yash 4 characters, Arav 5 characters, like this, so on. So this is how we can use functions in the order by. If we want the longest name first, then I can simply write here descending. And if I run this, then I will get a longest name first and shortest name at the last. Okay. Next thing, let's say I want to use case sensitive sorting. Case sensitive sorting. For that, I'm just adding some records inside the table because all the records here for the first name it is starting with a capital letter. For demonstration, I will just adding 2 records. Let's say insert into students values. Okay, 116, comma a month. For the demonstration purpose, I will only add the student ID, comma first name, and let's say I will add the last name and city. Like these things I'm adding. So first name, let's say last name is like this, Martin, and then I'm adding a city. Let's say Pune. I'm adding one more record, 117. Here I'm using capital A, Aman, in capital A, comma, surname, comma, city, Pune. Okay, I have added this record. Okay, record added. Now I want to use case sensitive sorting. Case sensitive sorting. If I write like this, let's say select star from students. I'm not using the length function now. I want in alphabetical order, first name in alphabetical order. So if I execute this, what I'm going to get? Arav Aditya. I'm getting small a first, capital A second. You can notice here Aman, small a is first, capital A is second. What if I want capital to be prior or small to be prior. So how I can do it? So if I simply write like this, select star from students, order by binary first name. What if I execute this? What if I execute this? What is the answer? What is my answer? All capital letters will come first. All capital letters will come first. And the Aman with small letter A at the start will come at last. So here you can see Aman at last. First, all capital letters will come and then last Aman will come. Next, null values in order by. Null values in order by. Okay. So in the particular column, scholarship, we have some null values, right? So what if I write here, select star from students, order by scholarship. What it will give us? Order by scholarship. So you can see here, all the null values will come first and then 2000, 3000, 4000, so on, like this. So what it did, null values appear first in ascending order. Now, what if it is descending order? What if it is descending order? If it is descending order, then all the null value will appear at the last. All the null value will appear at the last. Okay, this is what null value in order. Next, custom ordering, let's say, using case. What is this? Okay, let's say I'm going to do like this, select star from students and order by course. So we have a course column here. So order by course. So it's a course column. So first I will get all the null values, then BCA, 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 BCom, BCom, BSc, IT, like so on. Okay. Now if I want a custom ordering, what do you mean by custom ordering? Let's say I'm copying the same, but order by case. So my first case is when course is equals to B10. Then what? So I want BTech course to be first number, order by first. First giving the order one. When course is equals to, let's say, BCA, then 2. For BCA, I want the second number. So I don't want alphabetical order, but I want particular course to be displayed first. Students of all that course to be displayed first. The students of BCA to be displayed second. All the students of other course. What is the other course? BSc IT. So when course is equals to BSc IT, then third. Okay, like this. Else, apart from all these condition, else fourth rank. Okay, for this end. So how we are going to write this code? Select start from students, order by. Then we have some cases. Case one. Case one is when course is BTech, then 1. Case 2 is when course is BCA, then 2. Case 3 is when course is BSc IT, then 3. Else 4. And then end the case. If I run this query, uh, yes. So I will get all the students now, first BTech, then BCA, then BSc IT. So if BSc space IT is there, I have written BSc IT directly. Now I will run this query, it will give me the correct result. Okay. So I'm getting first all the BTech students, then BCA students, then BSc IT students, and then BCom and then null, like this. Else for end, like this. So I hope you understood how we can use this order by using a cases. The next thing is random ordering. What do you mean by random ordering? I don't want, uh, I don't have any specific order to be given. I want to retrieve the result randomly, anything. So what we can write, select star from students, ordered by rand function. So this is a function rand. So this we can use here and we'll get random numbers. So let's see for the first, now I have executed the command. I'm getting student ideas 113, 116, 110 like this. If I run this command again, I will get another result. Like for now I'm getting student ID 104, 116, 117. So randomly results will be generated and any order. Okay. So this is basically used in the quiz apps where you have to generate random questions. So we'll write one query which will use a where clause order by limit all the things together. So let's say I want to select student ID, comma first name, comma city, comma marks, and comma attendance. So these are the columns I'm going to select. From which table? Students table. Now let's say I want a condition where the attendance of the student should be greater than 80. And then I have to order by marks. Order by marks, let's say in descending order. Comma also order by attendance in descending order. And I want the top 10 students. This is my query. So I want the top 10 students who has greater attendance greater than 80 and order them by marks and attendance in descending order like this. So if I run this query, I will get that top 10 students who has attendance 99% attendance, 98 marks, 97% attendance, 95 marks like this. So here first marks will get order in descending order. So even if here, for example, here 92%, let's say 92 is greater than 89. But since we have first sorted by marks, and then it will get sorted by attendance corresponding. So now in this case, what is the order of execution? So first, we'll cover this in the future videos also. But just remember, first from gets executed, then where command gets executed, then goodbye gets executed, then having gets executed, then select command gets executed, then order by command gets executed, and then limit command gets executed. So first it will fetch the table from students. Then from the table, it will apply the filter attendance greater than 80. Then it will select from that filter the student ID, first name, city, marks, attendance. Then it will sort by marks descending. Then it will sort by attendance descending. And then it will apply the limit filter. This is how this query will work. We will learn about this in the upcoming videos. How is the query executed? What is the process, etc. If you find today's video interesting and helpful, do like, share, and subscribe our channel. Thank you. Keep learning.